Making money with AI art is easier than ever, and in this video I will show you what Midjourney art you should be making, how to get it ready for the store, and how to set up your store to start making money. So as usual, we just start in Midjourney, and because we're gonna make stickers, we need 4 things always in the prompt. The first one is of course sticker, we always want in a prompt. The second one is cutout, so we really have like a cutout of a sticker of the thing that we want. Then we have vector, and lastly, we always want to have white background because you don't want the sticker that has a weird background behind it. You only want the thing in the middle, right? So let me try to make one and then we see how it looks. /imagine, and then we're just gonna go for something easy this time. We're gonna go for cup of coffee, and behind I just add sticker, cutout, vector, and the white background. And while that one is busy, I want to make one more, but want to show you that you can also add some styles or feelings or whatever. You can, for instance, do a kawaii cup of coffee, which is like the cute anime kind of thing. So let's try that one. Kawaii cup of coffee. And then I add sticker, cutout, vector, and white background. The first one is finished now. Let's see how it looks. And it really looks like a sticker, right? So you have this white border that normally you have often with a sticker that you can buy. We got nicely the white background that we, after in another program, take out so we can actually sell it. So these are actually very good already, but I'm curious what the other prompt did. And yeah, this maybe even looks more like a sticker. We have our cups of coffee with a little smiley face and a little straw. And I like this one in the bottom. And I could see that this is something that people would buy. So I'm gonna upscale that one and we create a couple more. So upscale 4. And in the meantime, I want to create a different sticker, and we can not only do objects, but we can also do a shape. You often have like these round stickers, and I want to do like a round sticker with a car driving in the sunset. So I'm gonna start with round sticker of car driving into sunset, and in the end we don't need sticker now, but we're gonna have cutout, vector, and white background. And while this one is busy, of course I always need to have my cyberpunk stuff, so I'm gonna try to create a cyberpunk cat sticker. And again, I'm just gonna paste sticker, cutout, vector, white background. I'm gonna add cyberpunk cat. We have our round sticker of car driving into sunset. This is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. This one in the top I like the most, in the right top. And it's a perfect circle. You have a car driving into sunset. This one is great. I'm just gonna upscale that one as well. And the cyberpunk cat is also finished. Let's take a look. Wow, here we have a couple of good ones actually. I would tend to go for one of these top 2 because with stickers most of the time you want like a big face or something like that. I like them both. I'm gonna go for the left one. I'm gonna upscale that one because they are both great. We have the coffee and we have the cat. We can make the round circle, but you can add something more, right? You can add minimalist if you like this. You can go more crazy. I want to create another animal, this time a lion, but we're gonna add a certain style. I'm gonna add minimal in front, so minimal lion. And in the back again, sticker, cutout, vector, white background. The minimal lion sticker is ready. And it looks super cool. This is pretty. I would print this out and put it on my laptop, you know. This one as well has like a cool geometric kind of design. I really like it. I think I'm doubting between these two, but I'm gonna upscale this one in the top left. And to show a bit more things that you can create, here I created a kawaii T-Rex, which also came out great. This was another cyberpunk cat. And just like that, you can choose a prompt and create thousands of stickers literally within hours, you know. Now we have a couple of upscaled stickers and we have to get them ready for the web. You cannot just upload them like this because the sticker will be the whole square and you don't want the sticker with all the white around it still. So we have to get rid of the background. Stickers that we get from Midjourney are not on the best quality yet, so we need a bit higher quality. So how we do that is we go to Nightmare Real as Gun. This is an AI upscaler, so it can take your image, you upload it here, and you get it in higher quality back. Here you can just drop a file. I have here my lion, and below you can select the scale. Every number here is how many pixels it gets. So with 1 it gets 1000 pixels, 2 2000. I'm gonna go for 3000 by 3000 pixels is definitely enough for a sticker. And then you just press submit and it's starting to upscale your file right here. Then we get the output, and this is the upscaled version of our sticker. And you just press download so you get the higher quality, and also again save image as. I'm gonna do this with the other 2 stickers as well. So I'm gonna edit here, scale 3 and submit. And after we have upscaled it, we are ready to take out the background. And this is what we do in Photopea. It's like an online browser Photoshop. And you just pull in an image that you want. So I'm gonna add the lion. And it's very easy to take out the background. The only thing that you have to do is click here on the left on the magic wand, or you can press the W, and then you select the background. So just click on the background, and then you just select backspace. And you see that the whole background is deleted and only the sticker is left. You can do Ctrl or Command D to deselect the whole image. And you see that it's looking good, but we have a little extra outside line on the edge. And this doesn't happen with every sticker that you create, but with some. And if you want to really make it pretty, you can select the eraser on the left and erase. You can make it a bit bigger if you want here in the top left. And you can erase the sides so it looks better and you don't have the ugly outline going on there. So this is just an extra step that you sometimes have to take, but not always. And with Control you move it, make sure it's in the center. And when it's finished, when you have it all nice outline, you can go to File, Export As, and you always have to select Export as PNG. If you don't export it as PNG, it will still show the background, so this whole step didn't have any effect. So make sure you export as PNG. So export, you see the width, 3000, 3000, save. I will add the cup of coffee, and then again we select the magic wand on the left, click on the background and escape. And now we have already a nice sticker, and if you want you can delete this edge again, but I don't think it's necessary for this one. So I'm just gonna go to File, Export As, and PNG, because otherwise you have the background. So now in 5 minutes we created a couple of stickers and that are ready to be sold online. And that's what we do on Redbubble. Redbubble is like a store where you can buy all stickers or from designs of other people. And here you can get some good inspiration as well. If you click here on stickers, you get a lot of stickers that are being sold now. See a lot of cats. This tea bag looks like the coffee thing that I created just now. Here the round sticker that I created, but with the car and the sunset. And you see that these are being sold all between €1.35 until €2. And these are for the smallest sizes. If you sell it for a bigger size, you're gonna get even more money. See, this one is already €4.48. If I do bigger, large size, it's already €18. So you see that it can really be worth your time. So just press on sign up here. And here you select artist sign up because you're the artist who's going to sell, and you just sign up. After we signed in, you click on the right on your account and go to sell your art. Here on the top left, you have create products and you can add your designs. You are probably on 0 from 5, and you can upload our new work. So I just pull the image that I just created, the lion with the cutout background, and it needs a title, Minimal Lion Sticker. You can add some tags, lion, minimal sticker, and you can give a description if you want. And below you see all the products that are enabled that people can buy with your design on it. So it's now enabled for t-shirts and for hats, but we need to make sure that stickers is enabled as well. And here you can go to edit and click on the little clock. And here you can see what is the markup, so what percentage you're gonna receive. So if you're gonna go for 10%, the price is cheaper, but you receive less money if it's sold. So that's up to you. And after that, you can just see all these things are selected. You go to the bottom and you make sure that you select the media. So this is a digital art and a drawing, it looks like. Is not of major content. I have the rights, and you just press save work. And just like that, you created your sticker within 10 minutes and upload it to the store. It goes that fast. This actually looks really good. I would buy this as a magnet. And then you can return to the dashboard to complete the setup. Because if you want to start selling, you need 5 products And you have to add the profile picture, cover image, some other information and the email and the payment details so they can send you the money once you sell something. So it's super easy to make at least 2 or 3 stickers every 10 minutes and upload them fully ready to your new web store. And this is just such an easy way to earn money with Midjourney. You just have to create a couple of stickers, take the background and then upload them. It's super easy and everybody can use it. And I would quickly do this now before everybody starts doing this. I think it's super fun to create stickers from Midjourney and I want to know if you are gonna try this out. Let me know what you thought of the video and please subscribe if you want to have more videos about AI that I make weekly.